Hey y'all, it's Carolsue and welcome back to my home. And today is Temu Tuesday, y'all, so come on. Okay, today I have a mystery gift, a mystery bag. Oops, sorry. Is it friend mail? I don't know. There's no anything to say who it's from. It's from Temu, and it's a bunch of great items. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. I'll do my haul first, and then I'll do this. That way I can take time looking at what I got. So here's my haul today, and this is part of that haul that I said I had 2 orders that I did October the 6th. They came in November the 1st. So the other part, the other order, there's 2 purchases in it. So the other purchase was stuff for Halloween. So I'll do that another day, but this one has stuff for Christmas. So I want to go ahead, sorry y'all, go ahead and get this out today because it's Temu Tuesday. So let me get everything out of the bag and we're going to get back on here. Okay, there's going to be some bag ruffling, y'all. For $4.28, sorry, I had 2 price adjustments of 10 cents and 53 cents. So it was $3.65, and I got 300 white zip ties. Now these are the thinner ones, which I knew they were thinner. It's what I wanted because I don't like using the big industrial ones for the little small crafts and stuff that I do. And we go through zip ties like it ain't funny. So 300 for $3.65. It was 300, right? Yeah, 300. And I got 300 black, and they were $2.98. And it's the same. There's 3 sizes. And I got 100 of each size. So $2.98. I got me a stainless steel rolling pin. It was $2.38. I got a price adjustment of 4 cents. So it was $2.34. And it is hollow. So I could have went out and cut me some conduit because I got all kinds of conduit. It does have end caps to them, so you can hear that it's hollow. It's really light, but this is to roll my foam clay in my craft shop. Okay, for $3.07 I got the acrylic one. And the acrylic one came, it's covered in plastic to protect the acrylic. And with it came adjusters, thickness adjusters. So you put this on the O-rings, the rubber O-rings. You put this on the rolling pin, and if you want to go over the clay that thickness, use them, and if you want it thicker, then use that. I don't know if I use them because I'm not going to roll that hard, but this was $3.07. I think this is 6 inches. It might be 7. I can't remember now. So I got that. I can't stand nasty stuff. Okay, for $3.07 I got 20 grams fake sprinkles, and I got the gingerbread man cookie, 20 grams. It was $3.07. I got a price adjustment of 79 cents and 14 cents, so it made it $2.14. And of course y'all know me, I'll show you my pictures. It's got gingerbread, it's got candy cane. It looks like Santa Claus. Maybe it's a gingerbread Santa Claus. And so the $3.07 is really outrageous, even at $2.14. Now I've bought some from Amazon, and I'm going to be showing y'all in another haul. Yeah, I'm going to quit buying them from Temu because even at the $1.60 something that I got the other ones for, I still got it cheaper on Amazon. I'm sure it's the same sellers that Temu has. But that's my haul. But I want to show you this. I got Saturday. I believe, yeah, Saturday was first. First was Saturday, yeah. I got a whole bunch of packages. And I got to looking at them, and I'm like, but I didn't order anything that would have been in a flat thing. And And I didn't notice the last name because it was so close to my name. It says Carolsue, and it has Design D. So it might be supposed to be Designs, but I didn't know. So I opened it and I was like, I have no clue. What did I order something? I went back on Temu, y'all. I was going back and forth for an hour. I was like, maybe someone sent me something? I don't know. So if you sent me this, please let me know for I could thank you, because I am so... I realized that it was sent to me when I got this. Thank you, veteran. Because me and my husband are both veterans, and I knew I would never buy something like that. So I knew someone is saying thank you to me, and I want to give you a shout out and show you that I do appreciate it. I mean, I don't know what to say, y'all. But it says thank you, veteran. And then I got a reef sign or a wall sign. Tin ones. I can't open it. It says never underestimate. How can they be bent in a cardboard thing? Never underestimate a woman with a military background. Aww. That's so sweet. We hardly ever have anything for us. Wow. I'm gonna have to make me a wreath now. Go in my house. Okay. I don't know what the prices are in any of these because I have no clue. I got some filigree little appliques. 20-piece random model, it says. With their little, like, embroidered, kind of like appliques of flowers and bows and stuff. Oh, these are just too cute. Got flowers, you got butterflies. Can't wait to see what I do with these. I'm sure I'm going to find something great to do with these, though. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, we got vintage style journal material. It is retro style. Let me see the sides open. Okay, well, that makes it easier. Oh, they're picture frames. They're pretty good size thick ones. You got this, these, and yes, I want to show them because whoever sent this to me, I don't know if they get to see what it is, so now they get to see what they got me. These are little frames that you could put in junk journals, or you could put them in picture frame or in albums or anything like that, or you can make so many crafts with these. It doesn't have to be just junk journal stuff. Oh, that is sweet. Thank you so much. And I have a lot of ideas to do with these. So, I don't remember. Didn't say how many. Nope, it don't say how many. That is good. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. This is thick too. There's a lot. It says 36 sheets. And it's just got a style number. I can't even open up packages, y'all. My arm is so bad. Well, I'm opening this all update, y'all. My rotary cuff is tore. It's ripped. And a whole bunch of other stuff and a whole bunch of scar tissue built up from injuries. So my insurance is requiring me to go to PT, so I have to go to PT, and then after PT he will do surgery to cut it, and he says he's gonna have to go in there and cut a lot of stuff. So that's where we're at. These are butterflies. I can't hold them up, y'all. Just get out like this. Here, I'll do it like this, maybe. I'm so sorry, y'all. I can't do nothing. Hopefully it's enough for y'all to see. So 36 sheets. The back is clear. So you use them in junk journal. You use them in writing notes. You can use them for decoupage. You use them for so many things. I love it. They're so pretty. Look at them. Okay, the next one is Baby Seed with Pearl Satin. And it is papers also. Oh wow. Could you imagine if that was real material? Oh my goodness. Here. Can y'all see it? I can't go no higher up. This is stuff like you see in a Victorian home on ceiling stuff. That's gorgeous. I would die if I had material that looked like that. Oh Lord. How gorgeous that is. This is going to go great in a junk journal. A shabby chic junk journal. Or it could be a shabby chic Christmas, because they're saying this year's Christmas is preppy Christmas, which is like, I don't know, the pastel colors and stuff. I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm a traditional color for Christmas. But that is my mystery haul, y'all. I have no clue who sent it. I have no clue. Of course, I haven't checked my email, y'all, because I'm at my new phone. I can't get a hold of everything on my old phone. So, but I hope y'all liked it, and I know it's a short one, but at least I got my order that I was missing for a month. So I did get it, and I want to thank everybody who's been praying for me for my shoulder. Yes, I am in so much pain. It stays at a 9 to 10. I cannot take anything for pain, so I'm taking it for blunt of it. And this year I don't have no CBD oil that I had in my last surgery for this. So when he does go in there and start cutting my tendons and my bone and all that stuff, I'm going to feel it. So I'm going to try to get some videos of the stuff that I got Saturday. I'm going to try to get these done, so you might still see Halloween in them towards Christmas. But I want to get these done for y'all, because I'm afraid if I don't, it's going to happen like the Halloween one. I was supposed to have my Halloween one up Friday, and we lost our internet Friday all day, and it didn't come on until after midnight Friday night, or so I guess Saturday morning. And then Saturday and Sunday I didn't get off the recliner at all, just for the bathroom breaks, because I was in so much pain. And I want to thank y'all for bearing and sticking with me through this, and all my new subscribers. I'm not always this way. I'm not a whiny little puss all the time. Believe me, I'm more fun. I'm just in so much pain. And I can't go without showing y'all stuff, because I miss y'all, and I miss the interaction, because I love chatting with y'all in my comments. Y'all know I do. But thank you for all my old not not old like me. My OG, I don't even say OG, because I'm not an OG type person. All my OLE, y'all know what I mean, shoot far. So everybody's been with me for a long time and knows me, and thank you for sticking with me, what few there are. But I love y'all, and God bless you, and stay warm right now during this little cold snap we got. But see y'all. Bye.